Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Have you ever found yourself left with some overripe tomatoes? You know, that mushy type? Wanna learn what you can do with them? Stay tuned to find out. Today's episode is a short and easy one to make. Tomato chutney. Here's what you'll need. I personally add turmeric wherever I can, but since it's pretty potent, just a little bit is enough. So, shall we get started? Heat your frying pan on a medium-high heat. Simply add the chopped tomatoes. Personally, I had to do it in 2 batches since I used some small plates. Once everything is in there, just spread them around a bit. Let them sit for a few seconds. Then add everything else and mix well. Once everything is mixed up, it's simply a waiting game. Give or take 10 minutes. When it starts to bubble a bit, mix it occasionally and wait until it thickens. This is what it should look like nearing the end. Just look at them bubbles. When it's thick enough to your liking, you can just serve it as is or as a side dish for almost everything. Steaming hot is great, but it tastes amazing even when it's cold. I decided to have some with my homemade flatbread. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. It looked too appetizing for me to resist, so I had to eat some. I'd love to know how you chose to eat yours, so make sure to leave a comment below for me to see. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media. But most importantly, bon appetit!